Hey, Scott Grove here at Mullet Tool. They got a great new product here. So if you ever, you need a vacuum collection, right? The hose is hanging off the side of the bench, pain in the ass, it's in the way. They got this great sort of arm thing. DJ's gonna tell us about it.
Yeah, so this is the new Mullet third hand dust collection boom arm.
Third hand, I always wanted a third hand.
That's right, don't we all, right? So we launched a Cyclone a couple of years ago for a dust collection, 99% debris capture up front. Now you can add the boom arm to that or directly to a workbench top in order to run your air ducting with a rigid PVC pipe down so that you can have targeted dust collection at the lathe, the drill press, the scroll saw, wherever you can't get naturally dust collection with a hose, you can do it now with the third hand boom arm. And with this sanding setup, as you can see, you can also do hose drops. Again, as he mentioned, to get that hose up out of the way, so no snagging on corners, no having to refinish those edges too.
Nice. And I love this thing here. You got a vacuum cleaner, you can set this right there, roll it around if you're grinding, shooting dust in one direction. I love it. Where can they find you?
MulletTools.com.
Okay, check them out.
Thank you.